You plan, no plan. Yeah. No, you plan and don't call them a pretty them name too. We are come talk about if you pick it better. You can't press, look here, see you. You can't do enough now. You can't do enough, go your yard. And you will dead. Me make you dead and you have to go cast the ball. Me make the money man that eat that with you. Go shot like your face. Don't shot to me, one. Don't do it. Well, you can't touch it. You can't touch right here. Him not no money for you. Me dying for you. Him not no money for you because you done blood clot rush him already. When he come back, rush him. I said me not empty me acid in your mouth. Rush him. Come a baby father that all in me animal. War. Me will make when you go down and you look at girl, you miss her. You have to come call them a pitney them. Blood clot name. What you know about them? What you know about my pitney them? Jordan now walk and blood clot teeth for big son, you know. He now give you nothing. So you have to plan for blood clot war. Anything. Anything. Because when you then do nothing good yet, you know. Because you can't ramp with me, you know. Me trade when you have carry down your dad and shot there if you catch up with me. You can't ramp with me, I not say that and you know too. And I mean out there, I chew my acid in your mouth. Chris, Steve, I said me out there, I make you drink my acid, I call me acid, me tea. I'm a madman, me a madman too. Me a blood clot madman too, oh yeah, I'm mad. You know some worry blood clot police and together. Me mad, I want the blood clot, you trust me anymore. You feel like none of them can come around for me. I run away. Make sure I tell you that. I tell you that, my case done. Anyone on them? I don't case I go out and I push up something on a blood clot and I go away. Boy, you see the man in a jail. Let me did that come. I say, let me did that come. Start it all in. Let me did that blood clot come on your blood clot. If your blood clot free that you, what do you battery man, boy? You feel like? Yo, me a blood clot dog.
What battery man?
Yo!
When you mind
yo, how you do blood clot bright? I look at the man that kill white mice. Come here to make them kill you too, boy. Don't make him blood, make him know so you go fuck man. Look, go sell your body and
let go the way, sir.
And New Year's Eve now, go suck your
and New Year's Eve now, you know.
I'm gonna make you get a gunshot and a blood clot. Hey boy, you blink, pussy. Murder your woman, blood clot. Murder your gospel grind and woman around there. Brother Christian, murder, you can blood clot murder boy. Come burn up your blood clot, don't you go suck a pussy and go I want you. What you feel like? I might be your father.
I know she's a
pussy. What you feel like? Or suck yourself.
Don't play on the mind. Don't play on the mind.
What you mean if I do me a this? Who have your father you deal with?
Walk around.
$2,000. Go ahead. Go ahead with your blood clot. Go ahead now boy. Come here make your dead down the road. Go ahead.
Man, leave her.
Hey, better go ahead. I'm gonna suck out your dirty bastard. Move around there, boy. Alright, just look at my face. What's up, your mother? I want you. Come move everyone, suck out your mother. Suck out your mouth. Boy, I'm mad man. Suck out your mouth. No, suck your mouth. Your blood clot. Suck your mother! You can't touch me, come round the road, I'm suck out everywhere you make a boy. Suck your pussy mouth and grasses. Batty boy, you make a boy your mouth cell. Hey boy, enter your seam and the two of you are going. Hey boy, you're going to burn up your blood clot face. Me, hey boy, never show you so I can't make you dead. Go suck your mother. Go suck right there, and come suck my pussy too. And boy, hey boy, come near my good one, come rinse it and chop my hole. Come chop my pussy down. Hey boy, you have to go now. Hey boy, you should have seen me come out here with this man and meet you. You come boy, like a friend, you think you laugh down here, this and you feel papa. You think you laugh down here, this man be your father. Boy, hey boy, I'm ready for you. Go suck out your mother or your mama. Yeah, have your mother pussy tongue for you suck it off. Go suck your mother, you have no gunman friend. Go suck your mother. Where's that? Hey boy. And then see me I go. We not blood clot pussy tongue. We not lick clit. Your pussy I be your pussy or some boy. 9 feet me I go, me never call for a girl yet. So me not lick clit. You suck pussy like dog and fuck body. Me no lick kitty.